let's get started. Hello everybody, my name is Wahanga. I also go by Wawa for those who don't know me. Welcome to my channel. So, everybody really been trying to make YouTube videos and channels and whatnot. I ain't going front. I've been wanting to do this for like a year. However, I suffer from something called procrastination. So, let's get started, y'all. So my first video is going to be how I do my hair, for like a quick edge tutorial and a quick little first things first. I'm gonna use some Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. Oh, I don't know how they be doing this. Anyway, I'm gonna put the description down below. Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, we're gonna use that. I'm gonna use some Jamaican castor oil. These two, y'all, I got it from my local beauty supply store. And I'm also going to be using Got To Be Glued. Y'all gonna need a hard brush. This brush got a soft side and a hard side. Y'all gonna need both. And for your edges, y'all, I love these. This is Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. And this right here is Murray's Black Pure Australian Beeswax. Let's get into, oh, and y'all gonna need, depending on what hair you got, you're gonna need a comb and your toothbrush for your, well, not toothbrush, with your edge brush. Y'all ready? All right. Now don't judge. It's gonna look better, y'all. It's gonna look better. Let's do this. So first things first, I like to spray with some water because it's, ooh, not my makeup. It's easier for me to, whatchamacallit, easier for me to comb through my hair while it's wet. Now I'm putting the Cantu Shea Butter. It's leave-in conditioner just all over my hair. It's going to be easier for me to comb through my hair when it's wet, but also when it's not too dry. Alright, that's done. Now I'm going to just comb through it. Okay, just comb through the ends. The reason that I comb through it personally, you don't really got to, but I would, because when I brush my hair, like to make it slick down, you gonna see. When I brush it, I don't want it to look like I got like lumps and bumps because my hair not combed out, So I'm gonna comb it all out. So once I combed it out, I'm gonna take the Got To Be Glued. And I took about this much, I don't know if you can see. And I'm gonna just spread it, oh, not through my hair, just the front and then the back. I'm gonna apply a little bit more Got To Be Glued, going up the back. Alrighty, alright. We going somewhere, y'all. We going somewhere. Now I'm gonna take the hard part of my brush and just brush it up. Y'all gonna have your hair snatched, okay? Y'all tying up my hair. It's like an arm workout. Okay, so once you got all your hair through, I'm literally just spreading it, pulling it, and spreading it, pulling it. So this is a quick updo. If you don't want to do your edges, you don't got to do your edges. Like, you don't got to slick the baby hairs down. This is definitely a hairstyle on its own. However, see this like little 5 head? So when you put down your edges, like when you do your edges the way I do my edges, it's going to make a forehead look a little bit smaller. Now, I'm using the mirror in front of me. But I'll also try to like show y'all as I'm going, like dunk my head down. Alright, and I'm just going to start by the middle. And we're literally just going to swoop. Depends on how much hair you got, depends on how much swoop you want on how you're gonna do the edges. So let's start. I like to start from the middle, and it's just like pulling the little baby hairs. Just taking it, right? Taking it with the brush, and then just doing a little bit right here. If y'all want, I could even show you how to do this, like, without the updo, like, if your hair down. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but, let me know. And what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other side. Bear with me. Remember, y'all, this is only, like, the brush on itself. just so I could get, you can also do this if you want to get an idea of how much hair you're going to be pulling out before you actually put the gel on it, you know. Now this is the Blueberry Bliss from Curls. I'm just gonna dip my brush. Take not too, I don't know if this is too much or not. How do these people do it? I don't know. So we're gonna take a little bit and just basically go over the hairs that you may or may not have picked out already with the brush. If you skip the water part, you don't, it's like not that big of a deal. Yes. Ooh. Okay. I keep adding gel as I go along. So it's literally, oh, okay. Maybe I should say this too. You're gonna see me swoop around a lot, like swoop over the hair. But that's just because I want it to look, you know, real nice. And what you do to one side, again, you're gonna do to the other. So this is how it's going to look like with just the with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control, right? All right, y'all, I'm about to get real close. Real close. So this is how it's gonna look like with just the curls. Okay, very nice, very chic, very slick back. Now this, I call it like my setting spray. You know when y'all gotta do your face and you got setting spray, setting powder? This is like the setting edge control. And it's really, really good. It's not gel, it's a wax. I've had this, mind you, for like 2 years now. Going on 2 years. I think I bought this 2016 or maybe 2017, and it's lasted. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the other one with the curls and what I did with the water. It's literally on the strokes. I just spread some more on top, starting from the roots and going back. Okay, y'all, I promise you it's worth it. Once I put like a headscarf on or a head wrap, something on top so you could really set it. Thank me later. Now let me just show y'all the difference. This is when it's laid and this is when it's not laid. So I don't know if you can see, but my hair is kind of curling up already. Use this and it's gonna stay sleek and nice and edgified. I think we just about done, y'all. I like to just go in a little bit and just add some Murray's even over here, just to make it real nice and slick. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little headscarf. Ooh. You know when y'all got like that couple strands that's trying to do their own thing, like, no, y'all on my head, I run this. So I'm just gonna add some more Cantu shea butter on the ends of my hair. So this is how it's going to be looking like afterwards, just a little bit more defined. I told you I was going to get up close, right? No, let me stay like this. So this is now the finished look. How I curl, well, not curl, but how I get my edges and how I do the updo. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy future videos. Y'all stay tuned because I will be back. Thank you for watching so much. God bless y'all and see you later.